Yeah, this is Mr. Davis with the third video on building a shed. We're just going to make it look a little more realistic by adding a couple of trees and then flowers, something like that. If you notice, I'm over here in the components, and I typed in 3D trees. Now, you really got to go through these because some of them come out pretty good. You can see this one looks kind of phony. All right, and some of them will go in and they'll have some big black borders on them or something. So we'll try to avoid that. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is start with this model right here by Famid D. And this goes in pretty good. I've used this tree before. If I click off, you can see it looks fairly realistic. Okay, and you can see there's quite a few good, decent designs here. Let's go one more page. Let's see what we find. Okay, actually, I'm going to take this other tree from him. Right here, let's see how that one is. That looks pretty good. Now, if you don't like the size of a tree, okay, you can click on it and you can enlarge them. Okay, and you can see from here that we have quite a few ones that would look pretty good. Kind of change a lot on you when you're going through these pictures. They'll move all around. So you can see there's all different styles. This is a pretty good one. I've used this before. But if you don't like that look to it, you can get rid of it. So that's how you put your trees in. Now, the other thing that you can use, all right, so we'll click off there, is I'm going to come in and I'm going to click 3D flowers. And you can see here, first of all, this pot with a little bit of a shadow works good. Put one over here. Okay, let's move it back. Let's try it again. There we go. We can put one here. Maybe we can put one on the other side. That looks pretty good. You'll see as you go through here, there's a lot of different drawings. And again, I said you want to make sure that they are in 3 dimensions. You can see, I had no idea that that would be that size. So we'll just click it and we'll hit back and we'll get rid of that. So this takes a little bit of work, okay? The other thing that's worked out really well for me is I have always searched for 3D shrubs. And then you'll get some different, you kind of get some medium-sized plants that you can put in. That one, again, has some thick borders. I'm not big on that. Let's try the lavender. Sometimes, like I said, these will look either really good or they will look kind of phony. So, not big. Let's try this again. And we'll put this in. It comes with that horrible, I don't know what they were trying to do there. So we'll keep working until we find ones that look good and that make your drawing look better. Sometimes you'll pick the big one. So I really don't want to grab anything that large. Let's try this. It's kind of a generic looking plant. There we go. Put a couple of these on the side. And then what we can do is swing it around like this so we can get on the other side of the model. And we can put a few of these in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing back around last time. We'll zoom out a little. You can see we're having some issues with the looks. You can see when I click off, now that it looks decent. Okay, we have a little bit of landscaping in there. I'm going to hit save. You can see I had to fight with it a little bit to get plants that look pretty good. But you can do that, experiment with them, and you can get your shed to look like more of a finished product. So that's Mr. Davis with his 3 videos on how to build a model of a shed in SketchUp on the web. Thank you.